Spectrum, Unit 12, Physics, Class 10th. Question 1. Which of the following describe a magnetic field? Answer: field produced by electric charge in the motion. Question 2. What happens when current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field? Answer: it experiences a force. Question 3. The right hand rule is used to determine the direction of. Answer: magnetic field lines around a wire. Question 4. Which device is used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy? Answer: generator. Question 5. What is the unit of magnetic flux density? Answer: Tesla T. Question 6. The waves that have maximum penetrating power to treat tumors are. Answer: gamma rays. Question 7. The electromagnetic rays used in radiotherapy to destroy cancer cells are. Answer: X-rays. Question 8. The velocity of light. A diamond weighs the refractive index of diamond with respect to vacuum is 2.5. Answer: 1.2 multiply 10 power 8 meter per second. Question 9. The group connecting only electromagnetic waves is. Answer: light waves, radio waves, sound waves. Question 10. The list that show electromagnetic waves in order of an increasing wavelength is. Answer: rays, gamma rays, microwaves. Question 11. The type of electromagnetic wave used in a security scanner at night is. Answer: X-ray. Question 12. Narrow beam of white light passes from air into the glasses and is reflected. The wave's character remains unchanged in its answer wavelengths. Question 13. The type of waves they are used in the television remote controls. Answer: infrared waves. Question 14. Which material is typically used as the core in electromagnetic? Answer: soft iron. Question 15. What is the effect of increasing the numbers of core in electromagnetic? Answer: increase magnetic strength. Question 16. What type of current is produced by a generator? Answer: the force experienced by a conductor in a magnetic field depends on. Question 17. Which device work on the principles of electromagnetic induction? Answer: transformer. Question 18. What does galvanometer measure? Answer: current. Question 19. Electromagnetic wave travel at the speed of. Answer: light. Question 20. Which of the following is not an electromagnetic wave? Answer: sound waves. Question 21. The phenomenon where a magnetic field indicates a current is called. Answer: electromagnetic indication. Question 22. What happens when a current flows through a conductor? Answer: a magnetic field is produced around it. Question 23. In an electromagnetic wave, the electric and magnetic fields are. Answer: perpendicular to each other. Question 24. Which of the following can block magnetic fields? Answer: magnetic shielding material. Question 25. What type of magnet is used in MRI machine? Answer: electromagnetic. Question 26. The magnetic force between two parallel conductors carrying current. Answer: can be attractive or repulsive. Question 27. Which of these is an application of electromagnetism? Answer: electric motor. Question 28. How does the strength of an electromagnetic change with the current? Answer: increase with increasing current. Question 29. Electromagnetic waves can travel through. Answer: vacuum. Question 30. The magnetic field strength inside a long current carrying solenoid is. Answer: uniform throughout the solenoid.